In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your file name is less than 30 characters and it describes the contents of the file and no special characters are used. This is a Section 508 requirement for PowerPoint files. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison and let's jump right in. In this example, I have a PowerPoint presentation called Tag, Section 508, and Word. But in this example, I actually have a special character. So I want to go ahead and remove that. And instead, I'm going to say Section 508, Word, the Accessibility Guide. Actually, I'm going to leave it as Tag so that I can stay under my 30 characters. What you want to avoid is using any type of special characters in the file name. And for Section 508, we actually want to remove the space as well. So what we have here is a Section 508 compliant file name. Now this video really is for my Section 508 checklist for Microsoft PowerPoint documents. If you want to get this free checklist, check out the link in the description of this video. And if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, there's a link in the description for that too. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.